You are welcome in our channel. Today I am going to tell you about the tenses. There are three types of tenses: present, past, future. Every tense has four parts: simple, present, या either लोग people say that present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, फिर then again simple past, past continuous, perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These are the four tenses which generally are used in our daily life, and we are to tell you about something about it. First of all, I will today discuss about the present indefinite tense, how it can be taught to you. Now I am going to tell you about the present indefinite, either say present simple. It expresses our daily actions and universal truth. At the end of the sentence, हिंदी में ता है, ती है, ते है आता है. यदि वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ती है, ते है आता हो, समझिए कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट है या प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट है. इसका सबसे पहले हम सब्जेक्ट लगाएंगे, फिर वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगाएंगे, फिर उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट का यूज करेंगे. कब करेंगे? सब्जेक्ट क्या हो? V1 के साथ सब्जेक्ट क्या होना चाहिए? I, V फर्स्ट पर्सन, you सेकंड पर्सन, they third person, and third person plural. Third person plural means boys, girls, dogs, cows. The subject is I, we, you, they, third person plural. We make the sentence with the help of V1. I play cricket. I is the subject, play is the verb, and cricket is the object. They, third person plural, they swim in the river. You favor him. You favor him. This is the sentence how we make with the help of V1. Now I am going to tell when the subject is third person singular, how to make the sentence I am going to tell you. When the subject is he, she, this, that, third person singular means dog, sun, moon, any person. Because I am the first person I am talking. You are the second person, you are listener, and about whom I am talking, he is always the third person. Subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. Now the question arises in your mind, where to put S, where to put ES. Now I am going to tell the sentence. ES is put with the O, CH, SH, X and double S. When O, CH, SH, X and double S comes at the end of the words, and ES is used along with it, with the verb. Along with it or with the verb. I am going to repeat this sentence again. O, CH, SH, X, double S. When it comes at the end of the letter, ES is used along with the verb. Wash, W-A-S-H. ES, washes. Go, plus ES, goes. Teach, plus ES, teaches. She washes her clothes. Ram goes to market. In this way, I have told you that by adding ES to these letters. Now I am going to tell you that where to put S only. Now I am going to tell where to put S. Swim, S-W-I-M, plus S swims. Come, plus S comes. Take, plus S takes. Give, plus S gives. In this way, she swims in the river. Ram comes to my house daily. These are the affirmative sentences. Now I am going to tell you negative sentences. Every sentence you can make it negative. Affirmative sentences can be made negative by subject, do does, plus not, plus V1, plus object. If we are using do does, we never use S or ES to the main verb. This is to remind you. I'm not going to tell that where to put do, where to put does. If the subject is I, we, you, they, third person plural, we use do. And does, he, she, it, this, that, third person singular, we use does. Now I am going to tell how to use the do does in the sentences. I don't like his habits. She does not learn her lesson. They do not come here daily. They do not drink milk in the morning. Like these negative sentences are used. यदि आपका इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस क्या से स्टार्ट होता है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑलवेज कम्स बिफोर डू डस प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. यदि वाक्य क्या से स्टार्ट हो, डू डस पहले लगाइए, फिर सब्जेक्ट, फिर V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. If the subject is negative, if the sentence is negative, you can not write not after the subject. Do you watch TV daily? Does she help you? Does Ram not learn his lesson? Does Sita not play cricket? In this way, these are the interrogative sentences. Now I am going to tell how to use WH family words in the interrogative sentences. Now I am going to tell you interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns mean WH family words. What, when, where, why, whom, whose, which. WH family words, do does, plus subject, plus V1 plus object. What do you want? Which, why does she insult you? In which school do you read? These are the WH family sentences. With the help of WH family sentences, you make the verb. But you have to be careful when the word who comes. Who insults you. Who insults you. तुम्हारी बेइज्जती कौन करता है? Who के साथ do does कभी नहीं आता है. Never use do does with the who. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you will comment me on the comment box about my video, and I will be highly obliged for you if you will subscribe, like and share with your friends.